Yo, what is up, y'all? This is the Asian Zing wings. These look so good. Are these? It says it's really spicy. I'm gonna try it. Oh, bro, these are so good. It's like sweet and sour sauce, but crispy and glazed. I saw on Reddit someone recommended this. I was gonna get the spicy garlic. I'm gonna try it next week. I think these are my new favorite. I don't even need ranch. God damn. Gotta eat every bit off of the bone. Don't want to waste food. They gave me a lot of thighs. Oh, literally, there's only one wing in here. You get more food with the, you get more meat with the drumstick. This is so good. I don't mind making this like a every week thing on Tuesdays. I'm getting a little messy here, but you're supposed to get messy when eating wings. That spice is kicking in. It's not spicy when you first start eating it. It comes back after a while. And it's right on the borderline. Actually, you know what? This is less spicy than the Caribbean jerk. I could actually taste the chicken and it's very flavorful. I'm gonna have one more. I'm gonna eat the flat. Oh man. Oh, that's so good. I give that a 10 out of 10 for flavor. The values there, wings are more expensive at any place you go to. That's worth it. Because this was crispy, this wasn't soft and like juicy like the other wings. It's a good balance. Highly recommend that. I give that a 10 out of 10 for flavor. Value, I got it on Tuesday. So I got the buy one get one free special. I got 20 wings for 15 bucks. It wasn't 15 bucks, it was a little, how much was it? Yeah, it was like 13 bucks plus tax. Well, 15, I paid 15 bucks for it. Plus tax, it was like, yeah, it was like 70 something cents a wing, 75 cents, 77 cents. I think it's worth it. Oh, spicy. I'm not gonna eat the Caribbean jerk right now. My mouth is on fire. And then got my celery. Highly recommend that. My tongue's on fire. That's why they give you the celery and carrots, and even the ranch. They give me a lot. They give me 5. They give me 5 tubs of them. Highly recommend that, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm just going to chill out for the rest of the day, watch Avatar: The Last Airbender, and Scrubs.